today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Luvme Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description box. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Okay, so this is what your unit looks like. Don't focus on me, focus on the hair. All right, y'all already see the C curve. All right, I'm already excited about this one, and it definitely looks like it has some curls. What's in the box is usually the same thing. You get your Luvme drawstring bag to store your unit in case you want to discard the box. You get your HD wig cap, a rat tail comb. You also get a Luvme edge brush, and you get your famous one clip. And they also provide little name tags, which I like because if you are, well, it's actually a label, but I actually like the label idea because if you are a person who loves wigs and you don't keep every single box, I think it's pretty cool to have a label because you can pretty much stick it on this bag or put it inside the bag, write down what it is, and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and open up this wig. Let's move this box to the side, slide it to the side, and let's get into this. This is their 7x6 HD loose wave wig. Now this one is a little bit different because this is a part of their zip and go collection, which I think is so cool. It does come with these curls already in the unit, and then I'll show you what the cap construction looks like. This is your closure area. You can already tell that they went ahead and bleached those knots. You get a comb on each side. You also get your removable adjustable elastic band. You also get a comb in the nape area. Now you don't get any adjustable straps back here. A little piece right here to protect the Velcro. So I'm just going to remove that right now. Zipper part right here where you're able to take this closure piece off. This other piece over here that's protecting that Velcro too. I can get it together. Let me get it together. So you're able to remove that, and you can see the zipper on this side, and you're just able to unzip. If I unzip this, then of course I will show you guys how it's going to come off. It's the replaceable piece, and what I love about this is that it is a closure. Now I have done other replaceable units, but this one definitely speaks to me a bit more because I always say I prefer closures over frontals, just because I like that you get the frontal look, but you're not having to do too much. You can tell they put in the same effort when it comes to this closure as far as bleaching the knots. And look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. I forgot to mention that this does have the C shape to fit really good by your ear. So this looks good already, and I haven't even had to do too much to it. So I love that already. But the fit on this is not too bad. So where I'm noticing a bit of roominess is like right here where I feel like I can pin it down some. I can pin this down a little bit. But as far as like up in this area, it's not too big. I don't feel any cap bunching up at all. Okay, I can get with the fit on this unit. Like I said, I can just put a bobby pin back here on each side just to make sure it lays down really well, because you guys know I have a pixie cut. Ain't much to hold on to back there. It's not. Now, as far as this lace goes, when I cut this lace off, I already know it's gonna blend into my skin. The way that Luvme went in and plucked this hairline out and made it so realistic, y'all know I love a good hairline. Now, you can see my cap a little bit right here, and I don't have on my like dark wig cap, but I still think that it's okay. Like, I don't feel like I have to go in and possibly change it out. We'll just see. And this is what the side part looks like as far as like your closure area. Let's see how it fits by my ear. Fitting good on this side. Let's move to the other side and see. Okay, it's bending just a little bit, not too much, but the track over here isn't really thick, so you're not gonna have to worry about it looking bulky. Concern was if I'm going to be able to see that zipper part, like do I have to worry about it? It blends in well, but you can see it just a little bit right here. So I'm wondering if there's a way I can kind of just move it out the way, or if it's even going to bother me, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We ain't gonna mess with it. But the parting space on this is nice and open. You guys know with Luvme, they're going to give you the scalp-like effect. If you're not a fan of this being on the left side, you can always move it to the right. You don't have to stick with that parting space. You got the parting space in the middle. Like I said, you have the parting space on your right hand side. I love that this is pretty much ready to wear, and you're not gonna have to really do too much. And if you want to switch up, you can just zip this off, okay, and put a new one on. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit. Like, y'all, I'm just really impressed by this hairline and how good it looks. This looks really good. Like they definitely did their thing when it came to this. But I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I'm probably going to do a glueless install, especially because I am going to take this piece off and put on the next piece, so I don't want to have to worry about messing with adhesive or anything like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you guys my final thoughts. I am done with the zip and go wig. Very easy to install and super simple to detach and reattach those closure pieces. I was very impressed with that. The zipper went on with ease. I did not have to worry about it getting stuck. It went on perfectly, no issues. Now this unit does come with some lace, so I did have to cut it off. I did not go in and add my tint spray the first time around because I was like, I'm not sure if I'm going to need it. Once I cut the lace off, I did see that it was just a tad bit too light. Not super light, but just a little bit lighter than I wanted it to be. I know I love to use the Tailored Crowns lace overlay in the color Almond. It matches perfectly to my skin. In fact, I need to re-up on another bottle, okay? Need to re-up. If you're interested in the tint spray, I'm gonna make sure to leave a link below. But that made everything blend in well. And then I also went in with this Tailored Crown Glueless Goo. And I just wanted to make sure that it held a little bit more, but I didn't put too much on because that can get really sticky. It's also a little bit more messier to me than just using my olive oil mousse. So you have to be really, really careful because it'll start running down your face. So try not to just put it on because it's just gonna go everywhere. Okay, it's gonna go everywhere. I put the elastic band on. I didn't have to put any powder into the parting space area, especially as a side part. It just was already looking like scalp, so I didn't have to do much with that. I went ahead and ran my fingers throughout the hair. I added some of my serum, and the curls held perfectly. Guys, I've been having this unit for a minute in the box. The curls are still curling. I have no issues with that. So you're good to go if you're not ready to pull it out right away. But they are holding up really nice. And I did have to go in with a little bit of my wax at the top just to kind of get those flyaways down. And also I added my hot comb and pressed everything out, and it was looking good. Now I took that off, and then I went ahead and attached this piece, which comes as a middle part. Because you get so much parting space, you do not have to just keep it as a middle or a side part. You can definitely move it around. You got some options because it is a big piece of closure. Now this one does have these highlights in them. I am going to say I prefer the all natural look, okay? The highlights are cute, but if I got a tussle and pick, I'm going with the all natural color just because I think it just looks super, super good. But the highlights are a nice little switch up. And of course, if your closure is starting to look a little bit of mess and you need to switch it out, you know, you could do that. You don't have to just be stuck with one piece because, like I've stated before, sometimes your closure area can start to get older than the hair itself, and your hair is still in good condition, and you're like, dang, I wish I could save this. And now you got a bald enclosure. You don't know what to do with it. You're over here wearing scarves, hats. Well, you ain't got to do that no more, okay? They got some extra pieces that you can add on. They did a really good job with bleaching the knots. They also did a really good job with plucking out the hairline. The zipper is not in the way. Everything is laying down really nice and flat over here. I was worried about the zipper. Now, I will say the zipper was kind of showing a little bit as I was rocking the side part, but with the middle part, like, I'm not noticing it at all. It looks really, really good. But it looks good, y'all. I love the hairline. It's not too thick. Okay, the lace area is not too thick, so you should be able to move it around with ease. As far as shedding and tangling goes, this hair is really nice and soft. It is on the silkier side. Y'all, I don't even remember what length this is. I don't even think I told you guys. I'll make sure to leave it down below in the description area, but okay, let me get back to it. The shedding and tangling. I did receive a little bit of shedding. It wasn't a lot at all. Very easy for me to run my fingers through. I did get a little bit of snags, but it was mostly towards like the closure piece and the ends of the curls. But I don't think you're gonna have any big issues. Like, it's super soft. It's really nice and soft, and the ends look really, really good. What you guys think about this unit? Are you feeling it? Are you feeling the middle part? Or are you feeling the side part? And I already told you guys, I'm a big fan of closures, but to now have it have options, the closure having options, is 2 thumbs up for me. Make sure to leave the details down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.